How to convert vertical data to horizontal in Excel using the transpose feature. As you can see, this is our data arranged vertically. Select the entire data range. Right click and choose copy. Now click on an empty cell. Right click and choose paste special. In the paste special window, simply check transpose, then click OK, and there you go. Our vertical data has instantly been converted into a horizontal format without retyping anything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Excel tips and tricks.